Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on ASST stock just a couple of days ago, to be precise on October 28th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $1.53. And my main assumption at this point was that we have to see lower price action. We have to retest $1.35, then we have to have a bounce out of this range. Probably we have to break this range to the downside and retest the golden pocket range at $1.21 to $1.24. And we also might have a bounce out of this range. And guys, take a look right here. This is the actual price action of AST, and let's zoom out to, let's say, 30 minutes time frame. You can see that this asset act exactly as I predicted. Wait a second, let's switch to 5 minutes time frame to show you in details this movement. We were at $1.51 or $1.54 somewhere here, and since I made my previous video, this asset went lower. It retested 0.5 level, as you can see right here, had a bounce to the upside, and this level was a range of support for quite some time for this stock. Let me mark this line a little bit. Wait a second. Let me adjust this tool to make it longer. You can see that this level of 0.5 at $1.35 was quite a decent range of support for quite a while. Then it broke it to the downside, and for now, guys, the golden pocket range is another range of support for this asset. And this is another evidence of the power of technical analysis. And guys, for now, you can use my experience and my forecast pretty much on a daily basis with a risk-free, absolutely risk-free offer. And the only thing that you should do is to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my Safe Haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Here are just a few of my trade results from the first half of October. But don't wait, this offer is available for a limited time only. Once the spots are filled, enrollment will close. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and on today's video I will show you its crucial levels, what level should hold in order to remain bullish. I will show you some fundamental news that might not be so promising for the medium and long-term holders for this asset, and I will show you what price targets this asset might have if some levels of support holds. So, and first of all, let's take a look at its fundamentals. As I mentioned in my previous video, by the way, you can find the link to my videos in the description below. This asset is a quite interesting asset on the one hand, but it is very dangerous in terms of its fundamentals. First of all, let's zoom out on a bigger scale, and as you can see, this asset is in consistent downtrend, and the reason of its movement to the downside from the beginning of September of this year is that they are consistently diluting existing shareholders. You can see that this asset doesn't have any net income, their total revenue is just tiny $173,000. And guys, take a look right here. The number of shares is consistently growing from roughly 3 million shares in Q2 of 2024 to almost 15.6 million shares in Q2 of 2025. And definitely it is the reason why this stock is moving south. And you have to be very cautious with your long position, because in the long-term perspective, you will not be able to gain some profits with this asset. So, and let's take a look at the real reason why this asset had this movement. Wait a second, let's switch to 5 minutes time frame. Why this asset had this movement to the upside. And this is the main reason. It is the website which tracks a Wall Street Bets community, and you can see the ticker symbols that are right here are the most popular among the retail investors. And as you can see right here, ASST stock for now is on 29th place. It lost 23 positions for the last 24 hours, and this means, guys, the momentum for the stock is vanishing. And on top of that, you cannot find this asset in the watchers section, most active section, and trending section on the stocktweetscommunity.com website. That is why, guys, the momentum is fading out, and that is why you have to be very cautious with any of your positions, because this asset has a lack of support from retail investors for the last couple of sessions. But we have a decent technical setup, and let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as you can see, this asset has a decent bounce out of this level of this is the most probable level of trend reversal, and if so, guys, we potentially might have the bottom of the fourth wave right here, and we might see another leg to the upside that, well, unfortunately it will not hit much higher targets, but at least it has to retest this level of previous resistance. And this price target is valid as long as this bottom holds. And as you can see, this asset is up by 2.4% right now, and that is why, guys, it is quite good to see that potentially the movement to the upside has started. But be cautious with any of your positions. Dilution is not the friend for your long position. That is why I highly encourage you to think twice before you enter any position on this asset, because it is extremely dangerous in general. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.